question. Again, we need to read this question carefully. So this is question number 11. Okay, so question 11 here says we have got 3 samples. How many? 3 samples. Let's do rough work. Namely, river water, untreated sewage water, and secondary effluent. So we'll write river water, sewage water, and secondary effluent. Now, where sewage treatment plant was subject to a BOD test, biological oxygen value. Now, the samples were labeled as A, B, and C. Okay, this is done. But the laboratory attendant did not note which one was which. Okay, so rookie mistake. He did not know that A is what, B is what, and C is what. Now, the BOD values of the 3 samples were recorded as 28 and 400 milligram per liter. Okay, 400 here is maximum and 8 here is minimum. Which of the sample of water is most polluted? So the one which has most amount of BOD value is most polluted. Can you assign the correct labels assuming the river water is relatively clean? Okay, so 8 mg per ml is your river water. So untreated sewage water must be the most polluted case. Let's remove the rough work. So we'll write 400 mg per ml is our sewage water. Sample A is secondary effluent discharged from sewage treatment plant. Sample B is river water, 8 mg per ml. And sample C is untreated sewage water, that is 400 mg per ml. Okay, this is 20 per ml. Okay, students, so we got everything correct. River water is relatively clean, therefore 8. This is maximum, so write maximum. And lastly, we've got 20 mg per ml. So done, students, easy. Just do the rough work and read the question very, very carefully. And such questions will have answers placed in them themselves. You just have to read it very calmly and do the rest. Okay.